This continued class of module number 4 with respect to VTU examination. In this particular class, we will discuss regarding numerical associated with module number 4. What are the numericals associated with module number 4? So we are having the topics beams and trusses. First, we discuss with respect to beams. What are the expected numerical problems with respect to the topic beams? In beams, you are expected to compute the value of reactions. So any beam subjected to loads, it will produce a reaction at supports. So we have to find the value of support reactions. They will ask like determine the or find the support reactions. Find the support reactions for the beam shown in figure. For the beam shown in figure. So they will give the beam. So and also keep in your mind that you are having only statically determinate beams. What are meant by statically determinate beams? Statically determinate beams are those beams which can be analyzed with the help of equations of statics alone. So we know equations of equilibrium or equations of statics. Sigma fx equals 0, sigma fy equals 0 and sigma m equals 0. Keep in your mind that using these three equations, we are going to determine the support reactions in this particular concept beams. Two meters, 3 meters, 1 meter, 2 meter. So this is a given problem. AB is the beam. It is carrying UDL, UVL and point load and having the support hinge at A, roller support at B. So this is the given beam. In this particular beam, he is asking to compute the support reactions. So first we must know what are the different kinds of supports are given in the problem. In this particular problem, they have given two supports. One is hinge, another one is roller. So the very first step is write the free body diagram. What is meant by free body diagram? Free body diagrams are nothing but it's a representation of all distributed loads into point loads, as well as write the support reactions in terms of forces. So that is meant by free body diagram. So first write the free body diagram. Free body diagram. So here A, here B. So hinge support having two unknown reactions, that is VA and HA, and also assume all positive directions in the beginning. Unknown reactions are assumed to be positive. Upward force positive, right side acting force positive. And also here it is VB, vertical B, horizontal A, vertical B. This is roller one, that's why only one reaction. Now convert all distributed load into point load, UDL. How to convert UDL into point load? That is very important thing. If UDL is there, and the conversion of point load is similar to rectangle, WDL area, and CG of rectangle is L by 2. Use this concept here. So load is 20, distance is 220 into 2, 40 kilonewton, acts at 2 by 2, that is 1 meter. If UDL is there, convert into point load. The formula is W into L, acts at L by 2. Similarly, UVL is there, W and L. It's just like a triangle. Area of triangle is half into base into height, WL by 2. There are 2 points, one is apex and another one is base. From apex, the centroid is 2/3 of the length. From base, the remaining is 1/3 of the length. From apex, 2/3 of the length. From base, 1/3 of the length. Using this concept, so load is 10, length is 3, 10 into 3, 30. 30 by 2 is 15. 30 by 2 is 15. 15 kilonewton. 2/3 of L, 2 by 3 into 3, this is 2 meter and remaining is 1 meter. 2 meter and remaining is 1 meter. And this is also point out, keep as it is, 20 kilonewton, 1 meter, 2 meter. So this is regarding free body diagram. So very first step is write the unknown support reaction. The next step is write the all distributed load into point load. The next is apply equations of statics or equations of equilibrium to determine the unknown support reaction. So this is the step 1. Step 1 is FBD. FBD is over. Next step 2. Step 2 is determination of support reactions. That is determination of support reaction. What are support reactions? That is VA, HA and VB. Determination of support reactions. That is VA, HA and VB. So for this apply sigma Fy equals 0. Sigma Fy equals 0. The sign convention is all upward forces are positive and all downward forces are negative. How many vertical forces in the given system? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 5 forces, 3 forces are acting downward, 2 forces are acting upward. So plus VA, apply this, plus VA, minus 40 because acting downward, minus 15 acting downward, minus 20 acting downward, plus VB equals 0. So VA plus VB equals the total. 40 plus 20, 60, 75. So 75. Take equation number 1. Take equation number 1. Then what is the next equations of equilibrium? That is sigma Fx, summation of all horizontal forces equals 0. For this, all right side acting forces are positive, left side acting forces are negative. How many horizontal forces in the system? Only one horizontal force. Therefore, HA equals 0. HA equals 0. Now, what is the next equations of equilibrium is? Sigma moment equals 0. Sigma moment at any point. So, generally we will consider left hand point A. Sigma MA equals 0. The sign convention is clockwise moment is positive, anti-clockwise moment is negative. With respect to this point, HA moving at the same line of action, VA is also moving at the same line of action. These two will not create any effect with respect to point A, any moment effect with respect to point A. But this 40 moving in downward direction, because of this 1 meter, it take a turn towards clockwise. Therefore, 40 into 1 clockwise, 40 into 1 clockwise. Then 15 acting in downward, towards A it will rotate. This is also clockwise. Plus 15 into what is the perpendicular distance? Here to here distance. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 is 4 meter. 15 into 4, this is also clockwise. Next, this 20 moving in downward direction, because of this perpendicular, we take a turn towards A clockwise. Plus 20 into what is the perpendicular distance? Here to here distance is 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6 meters. 6 meters. 6 meters. 6 meters. Next, this BB acting upward direction, because of this whole length, we take a turn in reverse direction, counterclockwise. Minus VB into the whole distance is 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. 8 equals 0. This is anti-clockwise, that's why negative. 3 clockwise, 1 anti-clockwise. So 40 plus 60 plus 120 equal 8 VB. VB equals 220. 120, 180, 220 by 8. What is the value? 220 by 8.
27.5.
27.5 kilonewton. So if VB is 27.5 kilonewton, if you substitute this value to VA, you are getting VA equals 75 minus VB. So VA equals 75 minus 27.5. The value of VA is
47.5.
47.5 kilonewton. Both the values are positive, therefore acting upward direction, and this is 0. This is regarding problem. This is the very easiest problem you can expect in beams. So generally what they will do, they will add separate beam section or truss. So my suggestion is you must be perfect with all theory questions as well as the simple problems associated with beams. You are getting full 20 marks. Generally the method of section is very complicated and method of joints is very lengthy. I have also solved those problems in my regular tutorial classes. I have uploaded in YouTube videos section. In playlist you are getting those videos. You can follow those videos. But my suggestion is please perfect with whatever previous class I have given theory questions and also with some few beams problems. That is enough to get full 20 marks. It's enough to get full 20 marks. So what are the other kinds of problems you may expected? Compound beams also expected. What is meant by compound beams? More than one beam. More than one beam. Like this. These kinds of problems. We have to split this problem into two separate beams. We have to observe that which beam is having least number of unknowns. Depending on those things, you have to solve the problems. It's also very important. So the kind of problem also expected for 12 marks, minimum 10 marks. So my suggestion is please be confident in theory part. It's very simple 5 questions I have given in last class. And also these are the simple numericals associated with beams. And also I have solved so many number of problems. Those problems are available in playlist section. Please go through those problems without fail. So this is regarding this particular module number 4. Thank you.